Let's make your listings work smarter, not harder. Are you an Amazon seller struggling to get noticed? Chances are the A9 algorithm has you stumped. Luckily, that's where I come in. I specialize in creating premium Amazon listings that play nice with the A9 algorithm. Why does that matter? Well, a well-aligned listing can boost your organic sales, make your ads more efficient, and even improve how your products rank during Amazon sales events. It's like giving your listings a VIP pass in the Amazon catalog. Sound complicated? It is. But that's why I'm here, to save you time and effort while delivering a listing that works harder than your morning coffee. If you're wondering whether this service is right for your account, feel free to send me a message.